Respected our Telangana State Honorable Chief Minister Sri Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao Garu, he announced many jobs in the police department, more than 16,000. So we Telangana people are very happy and and I am requesting all the Telangana students, please utilize this opportunity properly and go ahead with good practice and learn all the concepts of all the subjects and concentrate on every aspects of every subject related to your syllabus. So mostly myself, SRK sir, I am the state vice president of Telangana Teachers and Lecturers Forum. I would like to say and I would like to teach you people arithmetic, reasoning, mental ability to all the students of Telangana state. So let me start with the first chapter, one topic, HCF and LCM of numbers. HCF means highest common factor. So you know very well what are the factors and what are the multiples of the number. Let me start with first what is meant by a factor and what is meant by multiple. For example, let us to take one number 2. 2 divides 6 exactly. So just consider this example very carefully. 2 divides 6 exactly. Everyone knows. So the first number is divides exactly the second number. In this sense, this first number we call it as a factor of the second number, and 6 will be a one of the multiple of 2. 6 is a multiple. Okay, so we'll start to know how do we write the multiples of the numbers. So let us to start with 2. So I am briefly writing here the multiples of 2. So the numbers which are exactly divided by 2, we have to write all of them. So the first multiple of 2 it is itself 2. The second multiple of 2 it is 4. And third multiple of 2, 2 3 just 6. Fourth multiple of 2 it is 8. So like that many multiples will existed for the number 2. So in the same way, if I want to write the multiples of 3, you can write easily, starting with the first multiple 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, and 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. Like that we can write all the multiples of 3. So yeah, very easy to write that all the multiples of the numbers. And now for every number there will exist infinite number of multiples. So by considering this all the multiples for any one of the number here, so I am considering the multiples of 2. Here 2 is the least multiple of the 2 only. What is the least multiple of 3 here? That is 3 itself. So we can't guess the highest multiple of 2 and we cannot say the highest multiple of 3 here. That things we need to remember. So now we will discuss how do we write the factors of the number. Let us to take one example here, 24. So I am going to write all of its factor. So factors are nothing but you need to write the numbers which will divide this given number exactly. So we know very well 1 divides every number. 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of 24, and in 2 table also 24 will come. 2 divides 24 12 times. 2 12 the 24, that means 2 is the factor of 24. I think this 24 will divide by 3 table, and in 4 table also divisible. In 5 table it will not divisible, and in 6 table also it will divisible. 6 4 the 24, and 7 table it will not divisible. 8 table 8 3 the 24 will come. So 8 is also one of the factor of 24. In 9 table it will not divisible, 10 table will not divisible, 11, 12. In 12 table it will divisible. 12 is also the one of the factor of 24, and the last factor of the 24 is itself 24. So we have one method. It is very easy to write the factors of the given number. So how do we write here the factors of 24? We can write like this also, in this manner. 1 into 24, that is 24, and 2 into 12, 24 will come. 3 into which number gives us 24, we need to search it. 3 8 is 24, and in 4 table 4 6 is 24 will come, and in 5 table it will not divisible. In 6 table again it will come, 6 4 is 24. In 7 table it will not divisible. But in 8 table 8 3 is 24 will come, like this conversely. And then after the finally 12 2 is 24 will come, and 24 1 is 24. So just you can remember only one thing. These all these numbers which are standing on the left side of equality sign, in these U-shaped numbers, there will be the multiples of this 24. I am writing, sorry, they are the factors of the 24. I am writing factors of 24 are 1 2 3. These all the numbers in U shape we should write 4 6 8 12 and 24. So you can understand very one thing very clearly. What is that? For any number there will exist only the limited number of factors. Means we can able to count the number of factors of the number. So how many factors are existed for the number here? Just count them once here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 factors are existing for the 24 number. These are the factors of 24. So they will ask a question to you people, how many factors will exist for a number 24? Like that they will ask. So we have a one method, it is there. I will explain about it in the next class, in the another videos. So just we are going to in this video explaining how do we write the factors of the number and how do we write the multiples of number. It's both of them are finished. Now what I am doing here, I am taking two numbers now. Let them 3, 4. Okay. So what I am going to do here, I want to find HCF of this both the numbers, means highest common factor of 3 and 4, and also I want to find LCM of this both of them. How do you find? So for HCF, we need to identify all the factors. So just we need to write the factors of 3 first. So in which table the 3 will divisible? Exactly, in 1 table it will divisible, and in 3 table also it will divisible. So factors of 3 are only 1 and 3, and I am writing the factors of 4. So this 4 will divisible by only 1 table and 2 table, and it will divisible by the number 4. So just we have written that all the factors of 3 and factors of 4, but we need to find the HCF. The meaning of HCF is highest common factor. Highest common factor. Focus on this word, common factor. So just you need to identify what are the common factors are there. Just round up them first. So one, it is a common factor of this both of them, and other than 1 there is no highest common factor for them. So the common factor of 3 and 4, it is only 1 itself. So now highest common factor, it is what is that one? That is only 1. So let us take one more example to understand better. So yeah, I am taking the two numbers. One number it is 24, and other one it is 36. So I want to know the highest common factor of this both of them. So for that one, what I am doing, I will try to write all the factors of 24 first. That means that all the factors are always less than the number, and the highest factor of the number is itself only. The highest factor must be the 24. 1 is a factor to the every number starting with 1, and write all the factors of 24, you need to write only those numbers which will divide the 24 exactly. In one table 24 will divisible exactly, in two table also, in three table 3 8 the 24, in four table also it will divisible, six table and eight table, in 9 table it will not come, then after 12 table it will come, and the 24 itself. Okay now, so these all are the factors of 24 I have written here. Then after I am writing the factors of 36 here. In one table 36 will come, in two table also it will come. The 36 exactly divided by 3 table, in 4 table also it will come, 4 9 is 36. In then after 5 table it will not divisible, in 6 table it will divisible, then after 7 table not divisible, 8 table not divisible, 9 table it will come, 9 4 is 36. And then after 10 11 12, yes, in 12 table it is divisible, 12 3 is 36, 13 14 15 16 17 18 table it will divisible, 18 2 is 36. Then after 18 2 is 36 it is there, next 36 1 is 36, the last factor of the 36 is 36 itself. So now I want to find here the HCF. For that one you need to identify the which one it is the highest common factor of these factors of 24 and 36. Before that, just identify first what are the common factors. I am round offing, encircling that common factors here. 4 is a common factor and 6 is also common factor, and we have one more common factor it is here, that is 12. So these 1 2 3 4 6 12, these all are the common factors of 24 and 30. So in this all the common factors, among this all the common factors, the highest common factor it is 12. So we conclude that HCF of 24 comma 36 is, what is that one? 12. So like that we can able to know the HCF of given two numbers. Now we are going to take consider more than two numbers. For example, I am taking the 12, the other one is 24, and one more number it is 16. So I want to find the HCF of these three numbers. How do you find it? So for that one also we need to write all the factors of 12, factors of 24, and then after the factors of 16 also. I am writing that all the factors of 12, the numbers which will divide the 12 exactly I am writing in one table, two table, three table, four table, six table, and the 12 table. The factors of 24 are 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24 will come. And factors of 16, it will divide by one table, two table, and four table, 8 table, then after by itself 16 only. So I have written that all the factors of the given three numbers, and identifying the common factors, just we need to round off the numbers, common factors. And one thing here, just look at the first two numbers factors, 12 and factors of 12 and factors of 24. Here 3 is a common factor, it is there, but it is not a common factor of the 16. So don't round off it, and you need to search the numbers which are common in this all these three factors of these three numbers. So it's over, I think. Yes, over. So now in this common factors, which one it is the highest common factor? That is only 2 itself. Therefore HCF of 12 24 16 is 2, that much. So like that we can able to find the HCF of given numbers. And now let us to go to discuss how do you find the LCM. But before that, you should know, people, we can able to find the HCF of the numbers in the many methods. So here by writing the factors of the numbers, I have done that the HCF of the given numbers, and in the prime factorization method also you can do it, and also in division method also you can find the HCF of the given numbers. So let us to discuss with the another method. So by taking this same example only, 24 and 36, we know its HCF very well, 12. right? So in the division method, what do we do first? We'll write the small number, then after the big number, just divide it here. In 24 table, it will divisible, 36 will divisible one time, 24 1 is 24, and it leaves the remainder 12. So whatever the remainder obtained by this remainder, again you need to divide the last divisor. The last divisor, it is 24 divided by the remainder. 12 2 is 24 will come. So finally, until we get the remainder 0, we need to do the division process like this only. If you get any other number and consider it as a divisor, and the last divisor it is there not 12, that thing you need to write, consider it as dividend in the next step of the problem. So we got it in the final step, the remainder it is 0, so stop it. So whatever the last divisor it is there, this is the last divisor. So that will be the HCF of 24 and 36. By writing the factors also, it is 12 only. In the division method also, HCF it is 12. Okay, now the same number I am taking the same numbers. I want to find the HCF in the another method, prime factorization method. So in the prime factorization method, what we do? First we will take 24. Okay, I am writing these both the numbers. Take 24 outside and try to write its all the prime factors. So starting with the 2 table, 2 is the least prime number. It is used by 2 table. 2 12 is 24. Again, it will use by 2 table. 2 6 is 24. 2 3 is 24. Until we get in the last step the prime number, we have to do the prime factorization like this. So now go to the another number 36. Try to write its all the prime factors. 2 8 is 36, and it will divisible again 2 table, 2 9 ja, then it will not divisible by 2 table. Next go to the next prime number 3 3 ja. So we can express the first number 24 as a product of prime factors here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, I am writing that one. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And for the second number, its prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. It's clear. So now you need to identify the highest common factor of them. So that is wherever the common factors, just round of them, 2 2 and 2 2, that much. And again here the 3 3 is there, 3 3. So just you need to multiply this all the prime factors. So HCF of given these two numbers 24 and 36, it will be right, one factor common factor to that one. From these two, one factor will come, and from these two, one factor will come. So multiply them, finally we get 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12. So like that we can be able to find the HCF of numbers. Okay now. So we discuss how do we find the HCF of the numbers in the three methods, by writing the factors method, in the division method, and prime factorization method. So in the next video, I am going to explain you people how do you find HCF of the numbers in the different methods, and some more applications and some more formulas also. We'll meet in the next video. Bye, all of you.